Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making some simple VIAZI KARAI. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're gonna need is 1 cup of water, a third a cup of all-purpose flour, a fourth a cup of gamma flour, some salt, and some food color, yellow food color guys. We have our bowl which we're gonna mix everything in it, and then we have some potatoes which we have in half a liter of water which we're gonna boil until soft. You can boil them with the skin, that's how I do it. So let's go ahead and start adding our dry ingredients. We're gonna start with our gamma flour. This is just chickpeas flour guys, and then we're gonna add our all-purpose flour in, then a half a teaspoon of salt, and just a pinch of the yellow food color. You don't want to overdo it guys. This stuff really goes a long way. A little goes a very long way. So that's it. We're going to try and break all the particles of the flour and then just start adding the water gradually in our dry mixture. This is the kind of consistency we're going to be looking for guys. We didn't use all of the cup of water, just we left a little bit in. And then now that our potatoes are done, we are gonna start peeling them. I always peel mine hot when they're still hot because it's easy to peel and it's faster, and I'm just gonna cook them right now. That's why I'm doing it while they're hot. We're gonna cut in the middle and then sideways just twice to give it some good size of potatoes. We have our oil which has been on the cooker, and now we're going to just dip our potatoes in the flour mixture and dip them into our hot oil. We want to do this really quick guys because we want everything to cook evenly and at the same time. Just dip your potatoes in the flour and then dip them in the hot oil. So now we want to take our spoon and just run it around, tossing the potatoes around so that they don't stick on the bottom of the wok, just like that guys. And this is gonna give you some crispy, beautiful colored potatoes. As you can see, that's the color we were going for. It just makes it look more classier and cleaner instead of the darker color which some people put on the VIAZI KARAI. So you can take this out too. You're gonna eat them because they taste amazing too guys. Just toss them around and that's it. Pretty simple. You don't need to do much and they're ready to serve guys. So please put them on a paper towel, let them dry the oil off, and then just serve them. You can serve them with some tamarind sauce, that is ukwaju, with some chutney, whatever you choose. It's gonna taste amazing guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to try the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.